In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook background color. Changing your background color is a simple way to make Outlook easier on your eyes and more personalized to your style. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to pick the look that works best for you. First, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're in the main Outlook window where you can see your inbox, not a separate email message. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top left corner of the window. You should see a menu labeled File. Go ahead and click on File. This will open what's called the Backstage view, where many of Outlook's main settings live. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical list of options like Info, Open and Export, and so on. From that list, click on Options, usually found near the bottom. A new Outlook Options window will pop up in the middle of your screen. This is where you can customize how Outlook looks and behaves. In the Outlook Options window, you'll see several categories on the left, such as Mail, Calendar, and others. Make sure you're on the General section. If it isn't selected yet, click General. In the main area, look for a section labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, or something very similar. This is where you'll find your background and theme settings. Within this section, locate the option called Office Theme, or a similar name. There will be a drop-down menu next to it. Click that drop-down, and you'll see different theme choices such as colorful, dark gray, black, or white. Depending on your version of Outlook, these options control the overall appearance and background tone of the Outlook interface. Choose the color or theme you prefer. If you work long hours or often in low light, a darker theme can reduce eye strain. If you like a clean, bright interface, you might prefer a lighter theme. Take a moment to try a couple of options until you find what feels most comfortable. Once you've selected your preferred background color or theme, look to the bottom of the Outlook Options window and click OK. Outlook will apply your changes right away, and you'll see the new background color or theme across the app. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Outlook background color, giving your email workspace a look that better suits you.